Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Lexus remote battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2016 or CR 2032 battery. Having a clean, well-lit workspace is crucial to avoid misplacing any tiny components. If you are unsure about the exact battery type for your specific remote, a quick check of your owner's manual will provide the precise information you need. This preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. Now, let's open your remote. Look for a small notch, usually located on the side or bottom edge of the remote casing. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a careful twisting motion, slowly pry the two halves of the remote apart. It's important to apply gentle pressure and avoid forcing it, as this can prevent any damage to the remote's delicate plastic housing. Take your time with this step. With the remote open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This will help you insert the new battery correctly. Use your screwdriver to carefully lift and pop out the old battery. Now, take your new CR 2016 or CR 2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. Just as the old one was positioned, ensure it sits snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your remote. Carefully align the two halves of the remote casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, the most important step is to test its functionality. Go to your vehicle and try locking and unlocking the doors. If the remote doesn't work immediately, don't worry. Simply reopen it and double-check that the battery is correctly oriented and making good contact. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.